So this is the framing. As I mentioned, this is why I put this 2x4 here to fill in here, because of this picture frame I got going on. I would have nothing to screw to here. The four joist is way over here. So I would have nothing to screw to. That's why that 2x4 is there. So yeah, like I mentioned in the last video, I think I got to trim a little bit off this one here. So what I'm going for, the reveal here, this part here, is that I overhung it 1.5 inches, because I'm going to put lattice work as like 1/4 inches thick, and then a 3/4 inch PVC board, and that'll leave me with a 1/2 inch overhang. So when I go to wrap this all in the lattice work and the PVC board, that should work out fine. So that's what all the prep work to even get started with this deck. I'm just trying to figure this thing out each day. I literally don't really know what I'm doing. Fake it until you make it is my motto. So yeah, I just kind of winging it here. So let me set you up, and I'm gonna figure out these 3 trim boards, or whatever you want to call them. I don't even know what the hell you want to call that. Picture frame, whatever. Because all the deck boards are gonna go in between. You don't see the edge because the edge is held down by clips, but you'll see that when I come across that. All right, let me get started. All right, I think I got this thing all figured out. So I'm gonna pre-drill some holes. I'd rather just tack it for now. And then because where I'm tacking it, I want to put one right in front of it to hold this edge down here. So I got a new knife. Remember when I brought up my wife's knife that she got me? I broke it. So I got a Kershaw Scion. Look how small that thing is. Works great. Super sharp. Super sharp. Anyways, my new knife is super sharp. You can imagine I had the knife that my wife bought me 3 years ago, and talked about it on the show. I still talked about it on the show, and literally, I think a couple of days later, I broke it. Literally, a few days later. So I think now, this next row, we should be able to use the hidden fasteners. Oh, my darn phone is ringing again. That's what happens when you run a multi-$1,000 company. A multi-$1,000 a year company. Just made myself laugh now. I think I just screwed up. I did my back deck. I have a little bit of knowledge on this, but it's been a long time. So I'm not 100% convinced. I think that's how we do it. If I recall. I don't remember. If I recall, I think you screw this halfway down. Yeah, I don't remember. All right, we're gonna go until the battery goes. I have an extra battery in me pocket. Like I said, you probably don't want to hit this with your hammer. Let me turn off the camera. Switch out to a new battery. And I gotta get a couple more. Gotta go get a couple more decking boards. Well, I keep on breaking these. Just won't fit over this. When I go back to the lumber yard, I'm gonna have to see about that. So what is this? Part 4. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to do about the stair treads. I still can't figure out what I should do there. Alright. Anyways, picking up for the day. And I'll try to get to it tomorrow after work. And then Saturday, I think I'm going to be doing stump grinding over there. My neighbor and I rented a stump grinder. I got 9 trees I gotta grind down, and I think he's got 8. And we got the stump grinder for the weekend, but maybe I'll post a video on that. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace!